This is really good. It is a beast. All right, let's try a little jump. I'm not used to jumping this thing anymore, so you want to see a backflip? I'm probably going to break it first time, aren't I? Shit. Out of practice. I haven't driven this in so long. I know you're going to get one of these, trust me. Ah, I've missed having this out. See NHL packs in here today. Let's do a big one, shall we?
Go for it.
Oh, let's try that again. You know, it takes practice to kind of control it as well.
Yeah, because you can stop it flipping, can't you?
Yeah. This is a really good place to practice that, actually. There you go, getting the hang of it now. Messed that one up. You know what? You're definitely going to go for something a little bit more powerful pretty soon.
I know.
Glad I haven't broken it.
Oh, yeah.
The dogs love RCs.
Handle's fine.
Oh. Oh, let's give it a jump here, a bit dangerous, but
That rips up the grass like it is.
it's a bit close. Oh. Watch out, mate. You don't want that flying to your face. This thing's just got way too much power. Oh, nearly got the slash there. of a clicking sound coming from somewhere. Yeah, there's definitely a clicking sound coming from somewhere.
It sounds the same as you first opened it.
No, I can hear something. I'll tell you when I hear it. Not yet. No, not that. That. You hear that? That.
Oh yeah.
What's that?
Could that be the?
Might be the differential, maybe.
Yeah.
Yeah. Definitely broken something. Yeah, I can hear that clicking sound. I have no idea what it is. I can hear the clicking now quite a lot. There you go. Yeah, stripped something, I think. Might be the pinion. I don't think it's the pinion. Yeah, I wonder what that clicking sound is. You can hear it on throttle. Must be diff related. Oh, sorry. Didn't see you there. Not the best driving. That's my battery done on this one. So I've come home and inspected the rear diff, and I think I found the culprit. I've completely mangled the teeth on this rear diff. It's probably quite hard to see on camera, but there's a number of teeth that have stripped off. I think that will explain the clicking sound. A little bit frustrating, but I'm not going to complain too much. I did probably get 10 to 15 runs out of my Kraton EXP, and that last run on video was probably the most violent one. I had a lot of bad crashes, so it's probably to be expected. And I've just ordered some GPM upgraded diffs to replace this, and some metal bulkheads as well.